Metals traded sharply bearish yesterday. We have seen gold sliding towards 2605 while silver has seen a major dump towards 3010 levels. Now, what to expect today? Can we expect this bearish momentum to continue? Can we say that the bull run in metals is over and it is going to dump more, or there is a possibility of a pullback? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and silver today? We are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you 2 updates a day with detailed analysis on multiple time frames with proper reasoning for a particular entry point and take profit. Thus, subscribe and press the bell icon. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates. Join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with silver. Watch. If you look at the hourly charts of gold, see it has stayed here in zone for last few sessions, and then first drop, sideways movement, then a major drop, then a sideways movement. It could lead to a third round of drop here, but you cannot deny a retracement, and where a retracement is confirmed, if you see it trading about 2625, you can buy, expect 2630, 32 as the first. Remember, the support levels which were stronger before it was trading bullish are now going to be the resistances. If it is bearish, these resistances are going to play a major role here. Thus 2630, 32 should be a very good resistance, and 2640, 42 should be the ultimate level here for the day. Now this is only for the day, and any bullishness in gold is if you see it trading about 2650, 54 levels. As long as this is not taken, we should not be treating this as bullish. Yes, it could show a V-shaped recovery as well, but the chances and momentum appears to be not in favor of such a stronger recovery. Moving averages are trading bearish. Stochastic has fallen. See, MACD here has bottomed, and it appears it has come to a significantly lower levels on the hourly charts. It calls for a little recovery. There is a possibility of a little retracement. RSI comfortable. On the two, look at the slope of the moving averages after the crossover. These are trading with divergence. These are looking downwards and are trading with bearish momentum. Now it is important that the prices can retrace till towards this zone, and before falling we may see these once, but it requires a stronger momentum for it to recover till towards 26 40 44 zone. So let's see if it stays about 2625, possibility of a little rise exists from there. Stochastic rising. MACD has also seen the lows here, possibility of a recovery exists, but it, remember, when it was bullish it has hit the peak at plus 10 plus 15 zone. Right now it is at minus 5, and if it is bearish it can move towards minus 10 minus 15. Now see, MACD moving towards minus 10 minus 15 probability means the prices can lend towards 2580 or in fact lower levels. RSI comfortable. Coming to 3 on the 3-hour charts, look at the movement here. One, see, first of all, almost a double bottom, then a pullback candle. See, now pullback candle is stronger while the retracement candles or drop or bearish candles are now smaller in size. This suggests that the next candle, when it arrives, it could be one of the bigger bullish candles, taking the prices about 2630 or in fact taking it further high. So this is something you should watch out for. It could carry this momentum from the next candle onwards. So this is something you should watch out for. Also remember, gold after every drop tries to retrace a little, which means it can try to move towards the top of the channel here. Let's watch out. Stochastic comfortable. MACD bearish here looking downwards, and the RSI is almost flat at bottom. Coming to 4 hour. Now see these two red lines, these are carried away from long now in my charts. Those who follow me regularly, if you look at how significant these have been so far, every time it has hit the top we have seen a reversal, and at this point also have said that it is looking forward to the bottom. Now see, only thing is the time it has taken to hit the lows here. Now you can also notice how strong is the support it is providing. None of the candles so far have closed below this, which means only bearishness is below 26 14 13 zone. If you see the price is trading below 26 14 13, we can initiate a selling entry. Expect it to keep moving further down, where we can expect 2608 10, 260204 second, and then 2591 2580 levels are also possible. Stochastic almost flattened, while the MACD trading with divergence is staying bearish, and the RSI is also comfortable near to bottom. Coming to daily. Now, before we look into daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. If you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me over Telegram for your queries. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker which offers you free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, which offers you safer environment with regulated environment for you to trade, You can join the recommended broker. If you join through the link, you'll get the lowest spreads on offer. Now look at the daily chart. Similarly, these red lines are in place here and it is hit almost towards the bottom. Remember, important thing is it is not closed yet below this red line. And also, if you see this, this is forming a nice flag. So I'll say it requires gold to trade below 2600 and 2580 zone. If these two levels are taken, then we can say gold is ready to take a plunge towards 2550, 2520 levels as well. Possibility exists. Moving averages have started to converge, not yet crossed over though. Stochastic looking down. MACD has crossed over, and after the crossover, this is sharp divergence, which suggests increasing bearishness. Look at the exponential move of the candles here, which suggests that it could further trade bearish. RSI has dropped as looking at this. First thing is where you should buy. I will only recommend you to buy if you see gold trading above 26, 24, 25. But remember, these are retracement trades and we are still staying on the bearish course. And thus on the upside, 26, 30, 32 first target, and ideally 2640 and 2644 are the two levels it needs to break. If these two are taken, then slight bullishness may prevail, and for a reversal confirmation we need to see it trading about 2654, 55, which is going to remain the key here. If it trades above this, you can say slight bullishness may prevail, else I will still not treat this as bullish. But yes, a little retracement towards 2640 can be seen, or it is possible. However, it is going to be a stickier movement on the upside now. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 2614-13 zone, or 2614-13 levels are going to remain a very good support. Below this, you can expect 2608, 260204, 2591 and 2580 levels as the next targets. Trade accordingly. Let's have a look at silver. Silver on the hourly chart. See, moving averages are trading with divergence, and the price is just taking the resistance from the moving average here. Where is the 20 period moving average now? At around 3080. 3080 is going to be one key level today. 3080 and 31. See, 31 was a good support. Now this is going to be the prime resistance for the day, because once it breaches this, chances for price to move towards 3140, 3150 levels will increase here. But if you look at the move here, it has taken a deeper plunge, and a little retracement or a recovery towards 31 cannot be denied here. Stochastic has dropped here. MACD, if you look at it, is crossed over, and it is after a long bearish move, it is now trying to recover a bit. RSI flat near to bottom. Coming to 2 hour. On the 2 hour charts here, moving averages are trading with divergence and bearishness. And see, this is something which you can notice that increasing bearishness is observed. Now it is trying to retrace further. Any bullishness today in silver is only and only if it trades above 3080 levels, beyond which you can say slight bullishness may prevail towards 31, 3125, 3150 levels. Right now, it is not signaling such bullish move. Stochastic rising, MACD is bearish, but looking at the move, what we had seen yesterday definitely calls for a little recovery here. Look at the MACD drop, sideways drop, and now chances for a recovery increases. But this is possible that it can wait for the minutes of meeting from FOMC later in the day during the US session, and this FOMC minutes might bring the volatility here. RSI near to the bottom, and on the 3 hour, the observation is more or less same. See, it has formed a double bottom. This is important and significant, and higher highs. So possibility of a recovery exists here. A move beyond 38 certainly should be a good indication for us to take buying entry, but then 31 should be a greater resistance, and then 3125, 3150 levels. Only and only if silver trades above 3150, we should treat this as bullish. Else it is still not bullish, it is just a retracement. Stochastic rising, MACD bearish, RSI flat at bottom. And on the 4 hour, likewise on the 4 hour charts, higher lows are done, higher highs means possibility of a reversal and a breakout edge is strong. And we have to wait a little, we have to take a confirmation. Yes, above 3080 you should initiate a buying entry. See, this could be the reversal sign for silver here. This is the first reversal sign, shooting star, or you can say a formation which calls for it or suggests a little rise and retracement. How far, how high? Hit towards the lows of this channel, which means 3120 is possible. Stochastic rising, MACD bearish, RSI flat at bottom. Coming to daily. On the daily charts, look at the move here. Rise, retracement, higher lows, higher highs. If you watch my daily and weekly review, you will find that I have shown this several times. Now it has hit the bottom of the channel, and the chances of recovery from these levels is strong. It can in fact hit the top of the channel again. Be watchful of this. Though appears that now the upward movement is definitely going to be a bit sluggish. Stochastic has dropped sharp. The MACD. Now, interestingly, the crossover here is MACD is important. It is trading with divergence. It is looking downwards, suggestive of bearishness here. RSI has dropped as well. So, considering now the charts here, I will recommend only to buy at 3080, but then this has to be with caution at 31, 31.25 and 31.50. Only and only if silver trades above 31.50, you should treat this as bullish, else it is still not bullish here. As long as it stays below 31.50, we have to be cautious and alert. On the downside, a selling entry now I will recommend is at 30.20, or in fact you can sell at 30.40 itself, but then 30.20 and $30 levels are going to be the first support, then 29.75 and then 29.55 levels will appear as the next targets. Trade accordingly. See you again before the US session. Stay tuned, like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.